copy this free method which made me $41.16 today and $81.47 yesterday. No website, no paid ad, no email, using organic traffic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with no money, step by step, using this platform called Jvzoo, and it will give you an amazing affiliate marketing business in 2021. If you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday related to affiliate marketing. You can watch few of my videos and put that bell notification on so that you can get my videos first. With that said, guys, this is the video you have to watch if you're looking for organic traffic and want to make some sale, regular and consistent sales. So smash that like button right away, right now. So this marketplace is known as Jvzoo, and the link is given in the description. You can create your free account using this, and this is an amazing platform, guys, for softwares. Okay, here you can see this, almost 800,000 active affiliates are there. And one of the best part of Jvzoo is, guys, you can sell their product with organic traffic, and I'm going to show you the same method in this video if you stick to this video till the end. Okay, using this simple 3-step process, you can create your affiliate marketing business. So you can get into this right in this website, guys, in your own time, and just click here, start for free. Then, guys, you can register your free account. It's just simply free to create your account. And then once if you verify your account, guys, with Jvzoo, then you will be landed here in the login page. This will be their login page. It's very easy to create an account, and just click here. So this will be your dashboard, and here you can see the today's affiliate snapshot, as well as yesterday's all your earnings. And this side is all about the seller. If you're selling the product, you can see this side, all this that statistics. Okay, so you can go this thing in your own time, right? And here is the place, right, for affiliates, and then this is the plate for the sellers, right, if you're selling the product. And you can find the marketplace, launch list, and all those things over here. So you can go in your own time, guys. Account setup and all, it's very easy. That's why I'm not going in. If you're using ClickBank, this is similar to like that. First step to making the account in Jvzoo, and the second step is to finding the products here. Clicking here, find the product. So this is your marketplace, and here you can see all the products, right, and all the statistic of their product, like launch date, sold, conversion, EPC, right, and the refund values. Also, you can select the product by verticals or the niche, right, whatever the products you want to sell, you can select from here. But now the strategy begins, guys. Here I want that you are selecting the product which are softwares, okay, not make money online, not like automated website or like any other things, okay, lead gen and all. I am talking about here, according to this strategy, is like softwares, okay, which is using in online marketing industry. For example, like, guys, look at this software, right, Video Maker FX, video creation software. And here you can see which is launched in 2014, and 38,000 copy has been sold. Okay, conversion rate, EPC, refund rate, all this thing you can see here. But now we are looking the product which is a launch recently. Okay, I want a product which is launched recently. So click here in the launch date. So this is the list of the product which is launched recently. Here you can see 2020. Okay, and also you can see how many copy has been sold, conversion rate, EPC, right, and refund rate, which is really, really important, and also the average prices. So, guys, here you have to look for the product, guys, which are softwares, okay, because, guys, softwares convert very, very well, and the strategy which I'm going to show you here, that is really help give you amazing conversion with organic traffic. So here you can see one of the software called, guys, animated character for local business. Okay, this is right, creating a animated videos. Here you can see 200 plus copy has been sold. You can see the conversion ratio, average price, right, all this thing, and there is a zero refund also. Okay, so this is like a good product here. And you can check the product from here, or else, guys, you can check the product from where I am always looking for, and that is called muncheye.com. The link is given in the description. And here you can see these are the product which is going to launch here. Okay, launching on every day. Okay, look at this, Jvzoo 13 October, Jvzoo 14 October. This is Warrior Plus. Okay, and this is like you can see ClickBank. You have to find out the product, guys, which are softwares. Okay, if you are not aware of it, open each of this and see, right, which is a software. Okay, for example, like this is Mario Brown. He's one of my favorite, right, vendor. Recently I sold this one of the product. I'm going to show you in a second the statistic. So here you can see Mario Brown, the My Virtual Tour. If you click here, so look at this, you will see the date, right? October 14, the timing, and the front-end price is $67, okay, which is very good price. You can see the JV page by clicking here. So this is their JV page, okay, and that is right, Mario Brown, okay. So this is their JV page, and now what you have to do is, guys, you have to get their affiliate link. Okay, so here you can see the get your Jvzoo link. So click here. So this will look like this. Okay, like sales price is $47, commission, and you have to send them a request permission. Okay, they will allow you, then only you can promote this product. Okay, then only you can see, right, integration, bonus, vendor profile, all those things. Okay, so you have to write. I'm going to show you how to write within a second, right? So this is how you can get from using Monchai, but here, from here also you can select the product the same way. For example, if you click in this, so look at this, right? The sales price is given, the commission you're going to earn, right? And if you want to see their sales page, so click here, view the sales page. So this is their sales page, guys, and you can see this is a video animator. Okay, I'm looking this kinds of software only, a app or software which help a marketers to use, because without a tool, guys, you can't do online marketing. You need this kinds of tool for the business. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. And once if you are deciding, right, this is the product you have to promote, then guys, you have to write a request so that they can allow you and you can promote it. So how you're going to write the request, guys? They want to know how you're going to promote their product. That's what they want to know. So you can have this script like this. It's very simple script, very short, because they are going to allow you only 255 words here. Hello sir, requesting you to approve me to promote your offer. Number one, I will promote your offer through my email list. Also, I'm going to use YouTube ads to promote the offer. Blog review plus bonuses. Thank you for the approval. Whatever your way. Okay, I'm just giving here. Okay, so how you want to promote, and that's it, guys. Select here, select I'm Robot, and send the request to them. They will approve you. Once they will approve you, guys, let me show you how you will see the link. So once if you approve, you can see all your approved offer here. Okay, all the product which is approved by the vendor, you can see here. Click here, approved product. So look at this, guys. These are my approved offer which I recently sold. So here you can see the synthesis commercial by Mario Brown, the same product, same vendor. You can see, right, this is the statistic, right, how many sold, conversion, right, and refund rate, all those things, statistic. You can see all the offer which I promoted recently. If you click here, synthesis commercial, so look at this, guys. Now you have to click here, get links. You can click here and get the link, or you can see the sales page from here. All the integration and all will be looked like this, as well as bonus. If you want to give the bonus page, you can add the bonus page. I'm going to make a video on this very soon, and the vendor profile. So if you click here, get links. Now, guys, this is the links you have to bring the traffic. Okay, whatever the traffic source you are using. I am going to show you a organic traffic source which anybody can do this, okay, by just copying this. So stick to this video till the end, guys, and smash that like button if you're enjoying the video. And the third and the last step is to getting the traffic from the second largest search engine, that is YouTube, guys. That is, guys, creating your own YouTube channel so that you can show people how to use that same softwares. Okay, this is amazing, guys. This is right where I made my first $1,000, and this is one of my biggest source of income. So this is my second review channel. I have one more review channel collaborated with my friend, as well as I recently started my blog also, just reviewing this kinds of product. Okay, that's why I took some pause from this video. And then, guys, this is one of the best. Okay, just showing the people how to use the software. This all are the same thing. So here you can see when you type synthesis here, guys, synthesis review, you can see a lot of people are just doing the simple review or showing the people how to use the software. Nothing more than that, guys. I think I lost my video ranking. Okay, yeah, this is this video here. You can see this, right? Just new YouTube channel is getting the views, because, guys, whenever a product is new, right, people who's going to buy, they always do the research. Okay, they'll type like this synthesis review, and if you're able to put the video here, guys, you're going to get tons of sales. Okay, that's how that video has bought tons of sale for me. Anything, guys, it's just very simple to create the review. And look at this, 2 months back, I have did this review. I'm still getting the sales from this same software. And this is another like high work review. And you can see this, that my videos are here. And I got 500 plus views, and 3 months ago I created this video. Okay. And I'm still getting an income from the amazing free traffic, guys. A legit way to do affiliate marketing. And you can see Vanquish review by John Armstrong, right? And you can see this, my videos is still ranking. So why I'm showing you ranking here, guys, I have not did any strategy, no paid ad, nothing, no paid tools, okay, free, no website, okay, just I created the video, I put the link in the description, that's it. And if you can see this, one of the big money I made from this small channel which started 3 months back, where I'm not uploading now because I'm focusing on blog. This is one of the product called Super Affiliate Biz Lead. Okay, this is from Warrior Plus, and if you type here Super Affiliate Biz Lead, you can see this, I'm ranking here. So I made amazing money from that. Here you can see some of the motivation channel I want to show you. These are the few of the motivation for me where I started this. This is called Wit Society, and this is by Krish. So you always create only targeting videos like Doodle Maker, right? Why videos, right? And Content Samurai, all this, and video software review. Okay, just showing people how to use it. Understand the product, what that product is all about, and create a video channel. You can do the screen recording. There are many screen recording free software. You can do this. You can put your face in the thumbnail. Okay, that is really important because people love to buy from humans. Okay, so that will add a lot of values. Okay, just very easy method to rank, guys. Hope you're gonna like this strategy, guys. Smash that like button right away, right now, and start your Jvzoo journey and make some amazing ongoing passive income from organic traffic. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.